As a teacher, I think, as one of my students said, it's really different to chop wood than to read about it. We founded the Community Learning Network based on that, and that's the work I've been doing ever since. My name is Jennifer Nevarez, and I'm the director of the Community Learning Network, which actually runs the New Mexico TechWorks initiative for our region in northern New Mexico. We've been teaching free workshops on website making, social media basics, and even how to start your own micro enterprise with students of all ages, not just their current students, but even alumni and community members from the region. It's just one other venue of getting to community members that may not have had access to that kind of educational opportunities before. My most meaningful work was actually working out in Shiprock with the TDK learning community, and I was able to rethink about what really matters. Out there's not a lot of job opportunities. From a remote location in New Mexico, as long as they can get online, they can actually work or start their own companies or start their own projects, film, video, media, music. It's an amazing tool. And so even though we're building with Adobe Earth, we're also doing Adobe and using technology as a tool to make all kinds of things possible. We keep going in this direction of connecting young people with professionals, meetups, video interviews, field trips where they literally see real life learning, real life people doing real life stuff, and light bulbs go off and things happen that you don't get from just reading in a book. And so I think that having more opportunities, especially for girls, to see other women in those roles or to meet people doing jobs they never even dreamed of opens the doors of possibility.